How to change join settings in Roblox. First of all, open the Roblox app and tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner to access the menu. Next, scroll down and tap on the settings option. This will open a new page with several tabs. Now, tap on the privacy and content restrictions tab. Under this section, you will find various settings related to your account privacy. Tap on visibility and private servers and select the visibility option. Here you will see show current experience. This indicates who can see your current experience and join you. From the list with choices like everyone, friends, follower and people I follow, friends and people I follow, friends and no one, choose the one that suits your preferences. By default, it might be set to friends and people I follow. If you want complete privacy, select no one. If you only want close friends to join you, select friends. After choosing your preferred option, the setting will be saved automatically. You don't need to press any save button. And that's it. Now you know how to change join settings in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.